And I'm always working on new ones.
Good job.
Stand 11 inches tall. My head is half a ball. I have a ball. All in all, I can't complain. Got a robot brain. My life's a game. Sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. But I have no feet, so I never lose my shoes. Singing is not my strong suit.
But can you sing? You want to try singing?
She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
God.
She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
Oh boy. At least you try.
Your clock struck 53. That can't be. Where does the time go? Don't know. Ho ho ho. Row row row. Your boat. Your plane. Your automobile. Any way to get there. Better than nowhere. Even if it's 53 o'clock. Knock knock knock. Who's there? Jibo. Jibo who? Jibo you. Trying to rhyme. Nonsense time. Let's call it a day. Or night. All right.
Thanks, G. That was funny. Look who's snoring now.